Camera!
Action!
Alright, so ngayon, ang LO ni Matthew ay
Volcano!
volcano that is erupting, right, Chase? So, right now, there is an eruption here that is happening right now. Look at that. Those lava and the dinosaurs are scared enough to
I know, but
escape.
the dinosaurs is in the lava. The T-Rex is in the lava.
Oh, yeah. But I guess they're powerful to conquer that.
But the carnivores like the lava.
Okay, so Jay will show you. Ano show mo, Jay?
I'm gonna show you the erupting volcano and also the herbivore, the scatterlab.
So first, what you gonna do?
Put baking soda and put coloring.
So that's it. Jay put baking soda in the coloring, and then what is that in the cup? Keep calm and have another. So what is that, Jay, you're carrying? What is that? Vinegar.
Vinegar.
So Jay is going to pour out now on the baking soda. Let's see what happened. It's erupting! Look at that! The volcano's erupting! Go, run! Run! Dinosaurs! Daddy, look at that! Go, run! Run! Oh, wow! Oh my goodness! That is erupting!
I know the best we're gonna put.
No, I don't think so. You try. Then you observe what will happen. Oh, do you think it erupted? No, it's not erupting anymore. Do you know why? Because the baking soda is wet. So, Jay, what do you observe? Can you tell, Mommy? Jay, what do you observe when you put vinegar on the baking soda?
It's not erupting.
It's not erupting when you put the baking soda?
Can I put some more?
No,
Please?
that's enough. That's too much. So Jay will try it again. Okay, maybe less baking soda because if it's too much, it's not. Tama na. Tama na. Okay, Mommy. Can Mommy put... No. Can I put some vinegar?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
You really can put.
Look! Oh, wow. Oh, wow. And that's what's your LO for today? Jay, what is your LO for today?
Well, erupting
Volcano. So, what you gonna say at the end?
Now, what? Yeah, not erupting. What?